Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks, and earlier today I made a video on how to do this a lot easier, and somebody wanted to do a triangle where it would go like underneath and over, underneath and over, underneath and over, and they were having trouble rotating the triangle. Well, this is a age-old problem inside of Corel that we've kind of figured out how to do it. So I've got two indexing lines in the center of the page. I'm going to grab my polygon tool and I'm going to draw a three-sided polygon, which is a triangle, holding down the control button. Now when you hit P, there's the problem. Corel is putting it in the center of the page, but it's not in the center of the page. If you look at the distances, it's quite a bit further apart. So anything with odd number of sides isn't going to go in the center. So what you do is make your polygon for a second a four-sided polygon, hit P, and then change it back to a three-sided, and you can see now it's in the center of the page mathematically. So what we're going to do is just kind of prove the point. We're going to Control D, make a duplicate of it, and we're going to flip it so you can see that it's even. But we're going to do better than that. I'm going to back up here so I don't have but one copy. I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate. I'm going to take the rotation, I'm going to move it to the center. Doesn't look like it's in the center, but you can double check it is. And then like in this one, we're going to rotate it 60 degrees to get that shape. So now everything's equal. We don't need the indexing lines anymore, but I'm going to leave them in there. So we're going to go to Effects, Contour. I'm going to go a little bit more this time, 1 inch to the outside. Contour this one, 1 inch to the outside. While that one's, I've still got that one selected, I'm going to break contour apart. You've got to do that to be able to delete the lines. So now let's zoom in and then just get your virtual segment delete key and just think if you delete these lines, you need to leave these, so you need to delete these lines. If you need to leave those lines, you need to take away these lines. If you left those lines, you need to take away these lines. What you're doing is just making starting and stopping points. So we've got this line, we need to keep it, so we need to continue it this way. One more, this is already done, so we go here. There's your 4 points that look like they're going to go underneath and over. I'm going to do them in a different color this time just so they're more visible. Most of my videos are for laser engravers, but we're going to use purple for this triangle. And in this triangle, we're going to use orange. And all I'm doing is filling it in. But now it looks like this one goes underneath that triangle and over that one. So it's an interlocking mechanism. Now a laser engraver can do this very easily, but a printer could use this, or somebody that does sublimation. It's a pretty cool effect. Anyway, I hope that helped and answered the question a little bit. Thank you for watching.